Experiencing issues with your Rogers internet? Let's troubleshoot by first identifying the problem. Common Rogers internet problems include complete outages, slow speeds, Wi-Fi connectivity issues, or modem hardware problems. For complete outages, check Rogers' official outage map on their website or app. Also monitor @Rogers on Twitter for real-time updates. If your modem has a red light, this usually indicates a connection problem with Rogers' network. If speeds are slow, run a speed test using speedtest.net or Rogers' own speed test tool. Compare your actual download and upload speeds to what you're paying for in your plan. Factors like time of day and device count can affect results. Wi-Fi problems often show as weak signal strength or intermittent connectivity. Try moving closer to your router, changing Wi-Fi channels to avoid interference, or using the 5 GHz band for faster speeds. For modem problems, check all indicator lights on your device. Ensure coaxial cables are securely connected and not damaged. If the modem feels hot or shows signs of physical damage, it may need replacement. Before trying more complex fixes, perform a simple power cycle. Unplug your modem from the power outlet, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the device and resolves many temporary glitches. For Wi-Fi problems, start by optimizing your router's placement. Place it centrally in your home, away from walls, metal objects, and other obstructions that can weaken the signal. Next, use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to identify the least congested channel in your area. Look for channels with weaker competing signals. Access your router settings by typing 192.168.1 in your browser. Navigate to the wireless settings and change the channel to the one recommended by your analyzer. Enable the 5 GHz band in your router settings for faster speeds if your devices support it. This band offers less interference than the 2.4 GHz band. For slow internet speeds, first check that your coaxial cables are securely connected and undamaged. Loose or damaged cables can cause signal loss. If problems persist, connect a device directly to your modem using an Ethernet cable. This bypasses Wi-Fi to test if the issue is with your internet connection or your router. If the direct connection is fast, the problem is your Wi-Fi setup. If it's still slow, contact Rogers support. They can provide hardware replacements for failing modems like the Hitron Coda models or perform firmware updates.